I'm Brent Rasmussen, president of Mortgage Specialists. We're a licensed mortgage broker here in Nebraska. While the mortgage process can be complicated, confusing, and potentially stressful, I make it easy for my clients to understand and successfully navigate buying a home with minimal worries and maximum enjoyment. No two client situations are exactly the same. What's right for one home buyer may not be optimal for you. I help each one of my clients find the mortgage solution that's most appropriate and advantageous for their particular needs, desires, and goals. Taking on a mortgage is a big commitment for anyone. Because of that, I make it a priority to help protect my clients against excessive liability and assuming too much risk. In other words, I don't just help you purchase a home, I help you make a smart financial purchase too. My clients are my number one priority. Always have been, always will be. I will prove that to you by being accessible 7 days a week to answer all of your questions and concerns.